Thanks very much for joining us. There are 221 new cases of coronavirus today. All of those are locally acquired. 98 of today's cases are linked to known outbreaks and other cases that are already in the system. The balance are all being investigated by our coronavirus detectives, our public health team. That takes the total number of cases to 1,920 active. All except 4 of those are locally acquired. Just again to give you the age range, which I know everyone's interested in, just to make the point that this is across the whole community and everybody's business. 285 are aged 0 to 9, 305 are aged 10 to 19, 498 are in their 20s, and 315 are aged in their 30s. 86% of all active cases are under the age of 50. So this is going where the vaccinations aren't. It's going where the vaccine isn't. It is a pandemic of the unvaccinated. We've got nobody in hospital that's been double dosed. Again, further evidence, further reason to go and book an appointment, go and get vaccinated as quickly as you can. Clinics are open, GPs have got supply. I can confirm that there are indeed thousands of appointments that are available for both AstraZeneca. There are some Pfizer appointments, but AstraZeneca is the vaccine that is available today, and there are appointments that you can put your name beside as soon as possible. There are 120 people in hospital. 33 of those are in intensive care, and 15 of those are on a ventilator. Yesterday we had some 42,429 test results come back to us overnight. It's a strong number. We, of course, again just remind and appeal to Victorians, if you're not feeling well, if you feel sick, then please act on that really fast and go and get tested. If you need that $450 payment because you would be out of pocket, you don't have leave entitlements that you can fall back on, many thousands of Victorians have made application and received that funding. It's a payment on behalf of all Victorians to compensate you and your family for doing the right thing by everybody else. It's a really important thing. And again, you're not on your own. Thousands of people have applied for those payments, and those payments have been made. In terms of vaccinations, we have the biggest day ever yesterday, our biggest day ever in our state-run hubs. 36,716 doses were administered. And as I said yesterday, we'll see capacity across our state clinics, all 55 of them, extra hours, extra cubicles, a total capacity increase of some 40,000 extra shots a week. We have been building up in increments of 25,000, so it's growing and getting bigger. And it's not surprising that yesterday was, in fact, our biggest day on record. That's 2,680,174 doses that have been administered in our state clinics. We are, as a state, we're at 62.2% first dose and 38.6% fully vaccinated. So we are fast approaching that 40% fully vaccinated, and we just keep moving through the 60s in terms of first dose performance. And our state clinics are doing an enormous job, a huge amount of work to make sure that we're getting more people vaccinated as fast as possible. So too are our GPs. Pharmacy really ramps up quite soon as well, and we thank all of our partners and all the staff, regardless of what setting they're working in, all the staff that are out there getting literally millions of Victorians vaccinated. Put it another way, we are ahead of our schedule in terms of our 1 million doses over 5 weeks. We've got some 246,000 of those to go. So we're ahead of schedule. We will beat the 5-week mark, and that's fantastic news. And then we'll set a new goal and a new target for even more vaccinations as we look to the weeks and months to come.